Sounds rough, Ollie. Do you have an umbrella?
Had one!
Where is it?
Inside out, 2 miles away!
Alright guys, so I'm back from school. We came out, did a lot of work. Here's a video clip of that. So now that you've seen the time lapse, I will show you our new named Project Bigfoot Gets Base. It is the original Bigfoot. Not the original Bigfoot, but same truck. This is where we're at, and it fits perfect. There's a little gap back here, but there's 2 pieces of MDF that had been screwed to the back wood or the back wall. Those will be coming off, and this will slide right up in there perfectly. It will be bolted into the floor so that it'll be no moving around. But the enclosure itself is 2.8 cubic feet. That will allow for port displacement, sub displacement, the center brace. We'll have a 4-inch port right here. And then I will have both amps mounted right here. The port air coming out will blow across the amps. It'll help keep them cool, even though, you know, they probably won't be hot. But that just makes sure that they have air moving across them. But yeah, that's a quick update for you guys. The next video we'll be cutting the baffle and putting the subs in. And I'll see you in the next one.